What's up, everybody? Thank you so much for joining me. Welcome to this veggie channel, this plant-based channel. I am your host, Ed Harris, Chef Ed. Chef, you know, Tofu Chef, Chef Tofu. I mean, I go by many names. Um, Daddy, father, husband, son. Anyway, on a serious note, I just want to take this moment to literally thank each and every one of you for subscribing, for your questions, your comments, and just for checking out this video and my channel. All right. And the reason I am here today, I have my nifty notebook, all right, is because I want to talk to you about eating better, cooking better, making sure that if you have kids, if you have a family, that they're eating healthy, that they're eating the best food you can possibly provide to them, right? So that's what I'm here for. I'm here to offer my guidance, which is over 2 decades, over 20 years of culinary expertise, right? And that's just professionally, right? Unprofessionally, not unprofessionally. Can you even say, no, you wouldn't even say unprofessionally, just not professionally cooking, right? I have been cooking for at least 30 years. So that's pretty crazy. So I say this to say that you are what you eat. And if you eat a lot of vegetables, then that's okay. If you don't eat a lot of vegetables, I'm not sure that's okay. And the reason that is not okay, or I don't think it'll be okay, is the fact that there are specific things that vegetables do for our body that you can't get from anything else. So on that note, vegetables are super important. And that's where I come in, right? I create recipes, menus, dishes that really help people be more plant-based. And there is also a ton of information out there to help people be more healthy, to help them eat right. There are blogs, there are YouTube channels like this one, there are podcasts, there are websites, there are apps that have a ton of information about being more plant-based, about being vegan, about being more healthy. And honestly, for me, my thing is, it doesn't really matter what you eat. Like, there's no judgment, right? Everybody eats what they eat, and that's just what it is. And that's what makes the world go around, right? Like, we all can't be the same. But within that, right, you want to make sure that you're eating properly. You want to make sure that you're eating healthy. You want to make sure that you're eating a complete meal, right? You want to make sure that your diet is what it's supposed to be. You can't just focus on only meat or focus on only starches, dairy, whatever it is, right? It needs to be a well balanced meal. And a balanced meal obviously consists of different things, right? But the whole idea is to be able to eat a plate of food that can satisfy you and give you the nourishment and the vitamins and nutrients that you actually need to survive, right? Joining forums, joining communities, like there's a community called the Rich Health Community that I started, and it's just an amazing place for people to congregate, for people to come together, exchange ideas, vibe, share stories about their journey, to being more healthy, to eating better. And it's just a really great place to be. And what I do there is I upload recipes. We'll go live, and we'll maybe cook something, or we'll just talk about different ways to do different things. But it's just a really nice place for you to find information as well and just be more encouraged, right? So definitely check out Rich Health Community. I'll make sure I add the link in the description down below. so you can check out more about what this offers. And honestly, I just want what's best for you, my viewers, the people that are subscribing, my real chefy folks, all right, my chefsters. I just want to make sure that you're cool, you're good, so whatever that entails, hit me up. If you need more help, I am definitely here. That's why I'm doing this video. I am letting you know that I am here to offer my services to you, the viewer. All right, so comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and let's do this. All right, the schedule for the next couple weeks, months, going into the rest of the year is going to be packed with some really delicious videos. Right now, I'm working on this really dope recipe for a salsa matcha, which is gonna be delicious, right? So we're testing that out right now. And we're just doing really cool things, right? So back to what I was saying originally is that what it means to you to be healthy, what it means to you to be on a journey of being more plant-based. What does that look like for you? And I just want, like I said, I just want to offer my services to you. All right. I have tons of recipes on my YouTube channel that will point you in the right direction for breads, sauces, pizza. I mean, you name it, all kinds of cool stuff, right? Just keep scrolling through my channel and you'll find it. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, and if there's something in particular that you're trying to figure out, if there is something that you've been trying to do that is proving to be somewhat difficult for you, then let me know. Like, I love a challenge, right? So until next time, ladies and gentlemen, this is Chef Ed, and I am out of here.